Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down exactly what happens after a motion is filed in court. A motion is simply a formal, written request asking a judge to make a decision or take some kind of action in a lawsuit. This could be anything from a motion to dismiss the case entirely to a motion to compel the other side to turn over evidence. Once an attorney writes this motion, the first step is to file it with the court clerk. This officially places the document into the case's record. But filing it isn't enough. The motion must then be served on the opposing party. Service is the formal process of delivering a copy to the other side's lawyer, which gives them official notice that the motion has been filed and gives them an opportunity to respond. This brings us to the second step, the response. The party who received the motion has a set amount of time, dictated by court rules, to prepare and file their answer. This document is typically called an opposition or a response to the motion. In it, their attorney will lay out all the legal and factual reasons why the judge should deny the original request. They will cite their own case law and present their own evidence to argue against the motion. After the opposition is filed, the party who filed the original motion usually gets one last chance to have their say. This is called a reply. The reply brief is supposed to be a direct response to the arguments made in the opposition. It's not a chance to bring up entirely new points, but rather to poke holes in the other side's arguments and reinforce why the motion should be granted. With all the paperwork submitted, the motion, the opposition, and the reply, the next step is the hearing. A hearing isn't always necessary. Sometimes a judge will make a decision based solely on the written documents. But often, the judge will want to hear from the lawyers in person. During the hearing, each attorney will present their oral arguments and the judge may ask them pointed questions about their positions. Finally, after all this, the judge makes a decision. This is called a ruling or an order. The judge will either grant the motion, meaning the request is approved, or deny the motion, meaning the request is rejected. Sometimes a judge might grant in part and deny in part, giving the moving party some of what they asked for but not everything. This decision is written down in a formal court order, which is legally binding on both parties. Thanks so much for watching. If this explanation helped you understand the process, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more videos that make the law easy to understand, be sure to subscribe to our channel.